Instabot offers a few native integrations that make it easy for you to export data into external systems such as Salesforce and Eloqua. For other platforms, you can use Zapier to export this data into more than 1,000 different apps, and even custom platforms that aren't supported by Zapier out of the box. In this video, we will learn how to export Instabot data into any custom system with a RESTful API via Zapier Webhooks by creating a workflow in Zapier that is triggered whenever a visitor books a training session in one of our bots. First, let's open up Zapier and create a new Zap. Select Instabot as your trigger app. Select New Goal Completed as the trigger. Select your specific app in the Instabot account. Then find the booked training session goal or whichever goal you want to act as your trigger. Now, let's add an action to your trigger. Find Webhooks as your action app. Select your custom system's API method. And here you are. Here, you'll configure your system's API endpoint, the specific Instabot data that will be passed as GET parameters or a POST payload, and other fields that are specific to your custom system's API. That's it.